Hello friends, today I'm cooking chicken with ginger blossom. For this you need chili, roughly chopped ginger, chicken and ginger blossom. Into a pan, put your chicken, add ginger blossom, add chili, add roughly chopped ginger. Mix it thoroughly, let it cook until it's become dry. Add water and add salt to taste. Add a little bit of baking soda and then you fry it until it becomes dry. Gravy is a choice, whether you cook it dry or you some gravy. There, your chicken is ready. Enjoy with your rice